ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ 14ਵਾਂ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਗਾਲਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜਸਟਿਨ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਏ ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇੰਡੋ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਸ਼ੁਭਕਾਮਨਾਵਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ।
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਫੈਸਟੀਵਲ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਟਸ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਮੌਕੇ ਖਾਸ ਸਮਾਗਮ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਗੈਸਟ ਸੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਆਫ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਜਸਟਿਨ ਟਰੂਡੋ। इस गाला इवेंट विच वक-वक बिजनेस लीडर्स ते इनोवेटर्स ने हिस्सा लिया। इस मौके प्राइम मिनिस्टर जस्टिन ट्रूडो ने कैनेडा ते इंडिया विचकार वध रहे चंगे रिश्तियां दी गल कीती ते सारियां नूं दिवाली दी मुबारकबाद दित्ती।
The central message of Diwali is a message I think more people need to hear. We need to be reminded that light can and will triumph over darkness, that knowledge and hope are powerful and effective ways to counteract ignorance and despair. And that at the end of the day, evil doesn't stand a chance when it's up against all the good in the world. It's so easy to be cynical. The news cycle encourages it, and sadly, so do some politicians. But I believe that when people come together for celebrations like this one, people of diverse communities, all working towards building a more prosperous and peaceful world, that's when I know we're on the right track. Happy to announce, and I introduced François Philippe earlier, that in mid-November he will be joined by our Transport Minister Marc Garneau and our Minister of Innovation, Science and Economic Development, Navdeep Bains, who together will head up a business delegation to the Tech Summit in Delhi. Thank you. Diwali Mubarak, Happy Diwali, Shubh Diwali.
इस मौके इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड मिनिस्टर फ्रैंकोइस फिलिप शैम्पेन भी खास तौर ते पहुंचे ते आउंदे दिनां विच इंडिया जा रहे ट्रेड मिशंस दी अनाउंसमेंट भी कीती।
There's a part of our mission which is going to be about clean tech, and we're going to attend the tech summit, so that's very important. I think there's much more we can be doing between Canada and India. We know that pulses is one of our big exports, more than $1 billion. But I think we need to move beyond that. And I think what we're going to be showcasing is everything that Canada has to offer. We're going to be traveling the country. I think I'm going to be there 7 days. So it's really going in all corners of India. And like I said before, we have more than 1.2 million Canadians which trace back their origin to India. So I think we can do so much more together, and that's a great opportunity. We hope that people will join in this journey. This is Diwali, this is the time of light, this is the time of happiness. So I really invite the viewers, join us. There's never been a better time to look at the relationship between Canada and India.
I think this represents the best of Canada. Its diversity and combining it as well with our trade and economic development strategy. Diwali, of course, is a very special time of year, celebrated in different parts of Canada. And for us, it's a particular honor that the Prime Minister has been with us today. This is a special moment. Never in the history, or at least of the Canada-India Business Council, we've had a sitting Prime Minister come. I think Prime Minister Trudeau's own commitment to India is clear. That is evident by his announcement today of the 2 upcoming missions.
Minister of Transportation and Sade Navdeep Bains, Minister of Innovation, Nal Minister of Trade, Nal India jaunge. And they just want to open up avenues so that Canada and India can create stronger bonds and hopefully increase the amount of trade that we do with each other.
इस गाला इवेंट दौरान 3 मुख्य अवार्ड भी दिए गए। द थॉमस बाटा अवार्ड फॉर कॉर्पोरेट एक्सीलेंस, द रॉय मैकक्लेरन ह्यूमैनिटेरियन अवार्ड एंड द काउंसिल्स मेंबर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड। कैनेडा इंडिया बिजनेस काउंसिल दा दिवाली गाला अपने आप विच अहम हो निबड़िया जदों प्रधानमंत्री जस्टिन ट्रूडो वालों इंडिया लई ट्रेड मिशंस दी अनाउंसमेंट की गई। दिवाली जिथे त्योहार है लाइट्स का, सैलीब्रेशनस का, अजिहे विच ए ट्रेड मिशंस दी अनाउंसमेंट इंडिया लई दिवाली गिफ्ट दे तौर ते सामने आई है। कैमरामैन मनिंदर जस्सल दे नाल रुपिंदर कौर, PTC न्यूज़, टोरंटो, कैनेडा।